there, this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheter. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to second part for crocheting the cute acorn plushies. In the previous part, we learned how to crochet the main body of the acorn, and in this part, we are going to see how to crochet the cap and the stem of the acorn. If somehow you missed the first part of the tutorial, please do check the description where you will find the link to it, where you learn how to crochet this main body, and also you'll learn about the tools and materials that you'll need. If you are fond of crocheting fall projects, if you want to flaunt your crocheting skills this fall or Halloween season or Thanksgiving season, I have done a number of different crochet tutorials like pumpkin coasters, pumpkin plushies, fall leaf for bouquets, fall berries and such. You can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. Don't forget to check it out and crochet different fall projects and decorate your home with handmade projects, and you can also make a number of different things for gifting this Thanksgiving and Halloween. So do check the description for the entire playlist and see which projects you like. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So for this part, we are going to learn how to do the cap of the acorn. We are done with the main body. So for the cap, take the darker shade of the brown yarn. The cap again is going to start with the magic ring. So wrap the yarn twice around your index finger, insert the hook under both the loops, remove the loops from your finger and do a slip stitch in the magic ring to secure it. Now for the first round, I'm going to do 6 single crochets in the magic ring. For this again, we are going to work in continuous rounds. To finish the first round, pull the starting tail of yarn to close the magic ring. Now for the second round, I'm going to do increase in every stitch. So you are just going to do 2 single crochets in each of the 6 stitches all the way around. So you are going to have a total of 12 single crochet stitches in the second round. So here I am done with the second round. For this again, we are going to work in continuous rounds. So we are not going to finish off the round with a slip stitch. We are just going to keep on working single crochets in continuous rounds. With this, we are done with the second round. Now for the third round, I am going to increase in every alternate stitch. Here we had a total of 12 stitches. In the next one, we are going to have a total of 18 stitches. So for increasing in every alternate stitch, do a single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next one. Repeat this a total of 6 times. 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 in the next one. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. One last time, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next. So with this, we are done with the third round. We have a total of 18 single crochets in this. Now in the next one, we are going to increase in every third stitch. So we are going to do 1 single crochet each in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this a total of 6 times. 1 single crochet each in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. This is the last repeat. With this, done with round 4. Now we have a total of 24 stitches. Now we are going to do 3 more rounds where we are not going to do any increases or decreases. Just do 1 single crochet each in each of the stitches. Do 3 rounds like this. Each round will have a total of 24 stitches, no increases or decreases. So work 3 rounds in this way and then we'll see what to do next. So here I am done with 3 rounds without any increases or decreases. Now to finish off, I am going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch and we'll just cut off the yarn, leaving a very small tail. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. Now we are just going to pass this tail through a few stitches from the wrong side. Give it a tight pull. Now just cut off both the ends, leaving a small tail. So the cap is ready. Now let us see how to do the stem for the acorn. So for the stem, again take the dark brown yarn. For the stem, place a slip stitch on your hook first and then do 5 chains. Now starting from the second chain from the hook, do a slip stitch in each of the 4 chains. 1 slip stitch in each of the 4 chains. That's it. This is your stem. Cut off the yarn, leaving a small tail. Now I am going to pass both of these tails of the stem through the center of the cap. I am going to pass it through 2 different places like this. Pull it tight, turn the cap over and then just tie 2 square knots in these 2 tails of the yarn. If you want, you can also stitch the stem to the cap. I don't find it necessary because anyways we are going to glue it, so the knot will also keep nicely. Now just cut off the yarn, leaving a very small tail. So your cap with the stem is ready. Now we are going to assemble the 2 pieces together. So the cap will go like this on the acorn body. For doing this, I am just going to apply some glue on the top of the body of the acorn and then just place the cap on it. So apply some glue nicely. Place the cap, press it and just let it dry completely and your acorn will be ready for display. So you can make as many acorns as you want in as many different colors. If you are doing a theme party, you can crochet these acorns in different pastel or bright colors. They would look very pretty once you fill them up in a glass jar or in a bowl. If you are fond of crocheting fall projects, there are a number of different projects that I have done, like the crocheted pumpkin coasters, fall leaves, fall bouquet and such. You can find the link to the entire playlist in the description. Do check it out. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. So thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.